System shares informations with applications via system variables. Some applications need to know the name of the OS, its version, the username, the user folder. All of these are stored in system variables. So we have to know how to retrieve them or how to set them. To display the whole list of system variables, we type env or environment, and here we have all system variables. For example, the home. The variable is called home, and its value is home semi. Means the home directory for this user is home semi. For example, we have also the language used in this system, so application can display its user interface in English according to the current language. So it's very useful, and there are many system variables. So we can also display the content of one variable. Just type equal using dollar and the name of the variable, and here we are. So we increase font size. So here we have a variable named home. To display it, just type echo dollar home. Don't type echo home because it will be simply a simple text. That's how to display variables. Applications like Java can retrieve this variable by using system.env get and the name of variable. So here we can type one and we can run it. Okay, and here we are. So this application now know where is the home directory of the user. Now it can be useful for some process. That's for retrieving information from system variable. Now we can create or define a new system variable like name equal, and it will be same. Now I can display it equal to your name, and here we have semi. The problem is this variable is useful only in this shell and will disappear if I close shell. Otherwise, also we can't use it in subshell. Subshell when you run another shell inside this shell. So when we run scripts, for example. So I have this here a subshell, and if I tell him give me the variable, it's empty. For that we have to export it. Export it means to give make this variable available for this shell and the other subshell which will be started here. I can export. Now if I run subshell and tell him what is the name, here we are. So we have this variable. Now this shell and any other subshell shall run, like when you run in your script, you have this variable available. Now we can set system variable. For user system variable, we have a file called .bashrc, and which contain all variable defined when bash starts. So here we can say yes. And now when we start any bash, any session, we have the variable set, and we can also define for system wide. We have to use sudo because it's a root file, an administrator file, and here we have this variable. So greeting is here. So now I have two system variable, one defined for the user, add your variable at the end, and don't touch the others, greeting, and name. So when we try to get them, it's not applied. So I will open new whole shell. So I will use Control Alt to new shell, user and password. Now normally system, now if we set all the variables, then here echo name, yes, and greeting, this variable, hello. That's how system define and set system variable. Now any application can retrieve them and use it in their process. So especially these are the two files. If you want to use them immediately, just use the source command and tell them I want to play them now. So I have little bit. So when you have spaces, you have to add those. Now I will apply. That's all. Now I can tell him, give me name. Okay, it's applied immediately. But greeting, I think, not applied. I have another way to apply or run a file or script or shell commands. We can use the point command, and I tell him to use -rc as a source. Now, is there a greeting? Yes. So I'll be applied immediately. So you have 3 or 4 ways to define system variable. Just tell him the system variable and will be used only in this shell and will be lost when you log out. You can export it. And now we can use it in scripts in this shell and will be lost and when you log out. And you can edit this file to store them for all users, and you can store them if you want to define it for this user. So you can see each user in the system has his own batch RC file. So that's all.